Current temperatures, though, right now are 8 degrees colder than what we saw yesterday. Big changes, though, up there to the north in the UP and northern lower Michigan, where they're seeing a little bit more substantial difference as that cold air is starting to make its move. The Thursday cold front, that'll be the difference. Beyond that, not only are we going to see temperatures consistently in the 50s in the afternoon, but it's going to be those morning lows that's going to get us as well, especially going into the weekend. Deb out in Redford caught this guy eating lunch, it looks like, but I don't think he minds. It looks like he's trying to pose in between bites there. Appreciate all the shots of the birds and the deer and the leaves that we're getting on storm pins. Back on the satellite, yes, a lot of clouds, maybe a couple sprinkles in spots in the north zone today, but most of us did stay dry. Rain chances are going to be plentiful going forward, but they're just not going to amount to much. You can see once we get into Thursday with that cold front, low or scattered, especially as we get into the afternoon and evening, and then maybe Friday, if you're in the western north zone, just a very slight chance at an evening sprinkle. But again, even if we see it, there's not going to be much moisture there. Really, the most organized is going to be that area right ahead of a warm front that's going to move in here late Saturday night, probably in the evening hours going into Sunday morning. Other than that, we will be dry going into next week. Now let's look at Friday morning's low temperatures. These are going to be the first of two cold days, 30s in the metro zone, but we should be staying well above freezing. Not so much in parts of Lenawee County. We'll be flirting with 32 out there in Tecumseh and Adrian. West zone lows, again, these are Friday morning. Could be below freezing there in Ann Arbor and pretty close to that mark in the rest of the zone. And north zone, you'll be in the mid 30s again as we start Friday morning. But tonight, because of the warm air that's pushing in, we'll stay in the mid 50s, but only getting to the upper 50s for high temperatures tomorrow. 7-day forecast. Well, it's an easy one to remember. It's all 50s in the afternoon. Mornings get a little bit milder, but guys, there are multiple chances of rain. They're just not going to amount to a whole lot. It's the cold air that'll be the story going forward.
Yep.